check out lick 1. So what we do here, we start at the 2nd fret G string, 1st fret B string, okay? And we kind of slide here. We do that twice. So we slide to the 4th fret G string and the 3rd fret B string. Then we go back and we lift. And we kind of pull off on both. Then we hit the open E string, the low E, and we hit the low E string and also the B string. You can hit both. If you have a vibrato, you can do a little bit of vibrato there as well. That's really all there is to it. The timing is important. Watch the backing track and see where he comes in or where I come in. Okay, it's very... If you listen to it a couple of times, you'll get the timing. Lick 1.